Division, Grade 4, Vidura College. Hello, my dear students. It's me, your teacher. While you are at home, don't you like to learn a new mathematics lesson with your teacher? Now, it's time for it. Dear children, today we are going to learn about dividing numbers. Children, can you see this picture? Here I have 10 cupcakes to share equally among my 3 friends, Vihas, Nisal and Sanu. Can you help me to divide them? Children, can you see this picture? Now I have already shared 10 cupcakes equally among my 3 friends. So each friend got 3 and there is one left. The left one is called as the remainder. Okay children, let's divide the numbers by 3 using the long division method. Children, can you divide 528 by 3 using the long division method? Do you know how to do it? Okay, let's learn the method now. Children, first of all, can you tell me what is the dividend in this sum? Yes, 528 is the dividend in this sum. So, children, what do you mean by dividend? Yes, children, the number to be divided is called as the dividend. Okay, children, now you know what is the dividend of this sum. Can you tell me what is the divisor in this sum? Yes, 3 is the divisor here. Children, what do you mean by divisor? Yes, children, the number that divides the dividend is called as the divisor. Okay, now let's divide the above sum using the long division method. Okay, children, let's divide 528 by 3. First of all, you want to line up dividend and the divisor as shown. Okay, children, when we are dividing numbers, we want to divide digit by digit. It means one digit at a time. Okay, children. When we are dividing numbers, keep it in your mind, we have 4 steps to follow. First of all, start to divide numbers from the first digit in the number. So here, first digit is 5. Can you tell me what is the place of 5? Yes, the place of 5 is hundreds place. So, start to divide number in 100 place now. So, now we want to divide 5 by 3. Here, as the divisor is 3, we are using 3 times table. to find the answer, which is equal or less than 5. Can you see 3 times table? Yes, so you are able to find nearest less number as 3. Hence, we write 1 above 5 as shown. Now, you want to multiply 3 into 1. 3 times 1 equal 3. As shown below 5, you want to write 3. Now, you want to deduct 3 from 5. So, the answer is 2. As shown, you want to write it down. So, next move to next digit now. Now, you want to bring next digit down, that is 2 as shown. Children, can you see we have already followed 4 steps when we are dividing numbers? Can you tell me what are they? Yes, first we divide, second we multiply, as the third step we subtract, and last step is bringing the next digit down. Okay, children. Okay, next move to next digit now. So, now we want to repeat those 4 steps to divide next digit again. Now here, children, we want to consider not only 22. So, we want to find how many 3 times are there for 22. So, you want to use 3 times table and you want to consider nearest less number, which is 21. So, you want to write 3 times 7 equals 21. So, you want to write 7 above 2 as shown. Now, again you want to multiply 7 into 3. 3 times 7 equals 21. As shown, you have to write it down. Now, you want to deduct 21 from 22. What is the answer? Yes, 1. As shown, you want to write it down. Okay, children. Now, bring the next digit down as shown. Here for 18. Now we want to consider not 8. 18. Can you tell me how many 3 times are there for 18? Yes, children. Can you see? 3 times 6 equals 18. So, 6. You want to write above 8 as shown. Now, you want to multiply 3 into 6. Answer is 18. As shown, you want to write it down. Now, children, you want to deduct 18 from 18. What is the answer? 0. So, now children, we have already divided 528 by 3. So, the answer is 176 and no remainders. Okay, my dear children, now it's time to do an activity. You will see some sums in the next slide. Now, you have to do the sums in your personal whiteboard. Question number 1. Solve the following sums using the lone division method. Now children, you want to copy down these 4 sums in your personal whiteboard and quickly start to find the answers for these sums. Okay, first part is you want to divide 210 by 3, and second one you want to divide 183 by 3, and third one is you want to divide 369 by 3, and fourth one is you want to divide 456 by 3. Okay children, quickly start to find out the answers now. Okay children, did you find the answers? Okay, let's check your answers now. First answer should be 70 and no remainders. And second answer should be 61, no remainders. Third answer should be 123 and no remainders. Fourth answer should be 152 and no remainders. Children, now we are going to divide numbers by 4 using the lone division method. Children, can you divide 893 by 4 using the lone division method? Okay, let's divide 893 by 4 using the lone division method. Okay, children, let's divide 893 by 4. First of all, you want to line up the dividend and the divisor as shown. Children, when we are dividing numbers, we want to divide one digit at a time, as I told you. It means digit by digit. And can you remember? There are 4 steps to follow. Okay, so start to divide numbers from the first digit in the number. So children, can you see here first digit is 8. Can you tell me what's the place of 8? Yes, it's hundreds place. So now you can start to divide this number in hundreds place. You can use 4 times table to divide this number. Can you see children? As I told you, here first digit is 8. Now you want to divide 8 by 4. Here as the divisor is 4, we are using 4 times table to find the answer, which is equal or less than 8. Can you say 4 times 2 equals 8? So you want to write 2 above 8 as shown. Now you want to multiply 2 into 4. So the answer is 8. As shown, you want to write it down. Now you want to deduct 8 from 8. Answer should be 0. As shown, you want to write it down. Next, move to next digit. Now you want to bring next digit down as shown. Now we want to find how many 4 times are there for 9. Can you say children 4 times 2 equals 8? So above 9 you want to write 2 as shown. Now you want to multiply 4 into 2 equals 8. You want to write 8 as shown. Now children, you want to deduct 8 from 9. What is the answer? Yes, 1. As shown below the line, you want to write it down. Next, move to next digit now. Can you see? You want to bring 3 down as shown. Now children, you want to find how many 4 times are there for 13. Can you see children? If in the 4 times table, 4 times 3 equals 12. Hence, you want to write 3 above 3 as shown. Now, you want to multiply 4 into 3, which is 12. As shown, you want to write it down. Now, children, you want to deduct 12 from 13. So, the answer should be 1. Okay, children. Now, we have already divided 893 by 4. So, answer equals 223 and remainder equals 1. Here is another activity for you. Children, try to find the answers for the following sums in your personal whiteboard now. Question number 2. Solve the following sums using the lone division method. Children, now you want to copy down these 4 sums in your personal whiteboard and you want to find out the answers. Children, did you find the answers? Okay, let's check your answers now. First answer should be 107 and no remainders. Second answer should be 140 and no remainders. Third answer should be 182 and no remainders. Fourth answer should be 141 and no remainders. Children, let's write down the statements for division. My first question is, 401 color papers were distributed equally among 3 girls. Now I'm going to ask from you, how many color papers did one receive and how many color papers remained? Let's write down the statements for the above question now. First statement should be number of color papers distributed equals 401. Second statement should be number of girls equals 3. Third statement should be number of color papers one received. As shown, you won't write 401 divide by 3. In the next line, you can use the lone division method to divide 401 by 3 as shown. So the answer should be 133 and remainder equals 2. Okay, my dear children, you will see some sums in the next slide. You have to write statements and solve the sums in your personal whiteboard now. Question number 3. Write statements and solve the sums using the lone division method. Part 1. A bench can be occupied by 3 students. If there are 435 students, how many benches are needed? Part 2. There are 943 cricket balls. If 4 balls were packed in a pack, how many packs can be made? Now children, you want to write down the statements and you want to solve these two sums in your personal whiteboard. Okay children, let's check your answers now. Answer for the first question. First statement should be total number of students equals 435. Second statement should be number of students per bench equals 3. Third statement should be number of benches needed equals, as shown, you want to write 435 divided by 3. So, in the next line as shown, using the lone division method, you want to divide 435 by 3. So, the answer should be 145 and no remainders. Answer for the second question. First statement should be total number of cricket balls equals 943. Second statement should be number of balls packed in a pack equals 4. Third statement should be number of packs that can be made. As shown, you want to write 943 divided by 4. So, as shown using the lone division method, you want to divide 943 by 4. So, the answer equals 235. Remainder equals 3. Well, my dear students, today we learn how to divide numbers. I think it's enough for today. I hope you have learned something from my lesson. You can download the relevant student note from the Vidura College official website and complete all the exercises now. We will meet soon. Until then, be safe and please keep on studying. Thank you. Have a nice day.